Good morning, YouTube. It's about 6 a.m. and today's gonna be a super long day because we're gonna drive all the way from Austin to Orlando, Florida. You're probably like, why the hell are you driving to Orlando, Florida? And I'm like, why the hell am I driving to Orlando, Florida? So the reason why the hell we're driving to Orlando, Florida is that is where our next project car is. Partnered up with Todd and Josh. If you guys remember Josh, of course.
Told you, don't be a little bitch.
And Todd, you may remember from my Demon video. You should probably go watch that.
It's either buy cars or give the money to my kids, and they don't call me.
And we bought a 1987 Ferrari Testarossa.
340 horsepower, 180 miles an hour. Absolutely essential for any type of serious police work, huh?
And it needs a major. So we're gonna go pick it up, bring it back to Austin, pull the motor, that beautiful, beautiful flat 12, rebuild it, throw it back in there, drive it around, and probably sell it. So that's the plan. It's gonna be a long day, so let's get going.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
So that deputy got you guys at 106.
Well, we've got some pretty f***ed up fog going on this morning. It's pretty unusual for Texas to have fog like this. Remember, Todd? See?
Hey!
All right, we are in basically Houston, and now we head to Orlando, which is like 15-ish hours away. It's gonna suck, but yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it.
Surprise!
Yeah. P and fuel stop. Any idea where the hell we are?
Somewhere close to Vidor, Louisiana.
Okay.
Vidor, Texas, sorry.
We're still in Texas, somewhere near Louisiana, on I-10. Oh yeah, here's the rig. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Oh yeah.
This boy just came apart.
She is toast. Damn. It's all these wonderful roads here in Louisiana.
I was gonna say one of those caused it to bust, right?
Probably. We were bouncing.
Don't drink and drive because you lose federal funding in Louisiana.
Not exactly the world's greatest roads out here. We're in the middle of nowhere, Louisiana.
Adventure.
Such as what happens on road trips. Always come prepared. How many lug is that? 8?
8, yeah, 10,000 pounds.
That sucker let go. Good thing got spare.
Yeah, the problem is we might need to go get a crescent wrench from that store over there.
Oh.
Because it's such a deep thing, and I didn't bring my.
Oh yeah.
We can take it because we can lock it up.
Yeah, that's true. Well, son of a bitch.
Oh well.
Shit happens, right?
Shit happens.
So we don't have the tool to get the spare off the spare mount.
It will be worth it.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Hey, it just means exciting, right?
Exactly. Right?
Just add a little drama to the road trip.
Gotta happen.
Gotta have something go wrong. Jackpot, boys and girls.
Ta-da!
Jackpot. We got tools.
Louisiana has no hold on us.
Yeah, that's right. We're gonna get the hell out of this state. Screw your shitty roads destroying our tire.
Yeah, America.
America.
So Dan is taking this one with a minor air leak. So you've seen it with that one. I like this job. I should be a YouTuber.
Boom. Done.
You napping or you on a drive?
I'll drive now.
All right.
All right, sounds good. All right, YouTube. It is about 5:30. So we've been on the road since. Well, I've been on the road since 6 a.m. So I guess it's about 12 hours. Yeah. So we're getting more gas. 500 more miles to go. About halfway done. All right. It is 2 a.m. and we just got to our hotel. We need to go get checked in. Yeah, I don't got much to say. I'm tired as hell.
Hello, let's go to bed.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Exhausted. Pretty long day of driving, but we're here. We think the car is just like 2 minutes down the road. So tomorrow morning, just wake up, go get it, and then drive home.
The next day.
Good morning, YouTube. About 8 a.m. and we actually got to sleep. And we're now gonna go get the cars. Yay. The truck and trailer is still here. Oh, now you can't see anything. It's Florida. I forgot. It's foggy. I can't see anything either. All right, hold on. Oh, we just drove by and saw it. All right, we're pulling in. Oh, man.
I love Priuses.
Yes.
They're awesome.
Can't wait to get this 700 horsepower Prius. Where are we gonna park?
I don't care.
Yeah, good point.
Absolutely do not care.
Wait.
Wait for it.
Oh.
Don't smile. The seller might see us.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
It's not a Prius.
No.
Let's leave.
Damn it. They said it wasn't red.
It's a Supra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
wow.
looked at a 436 manual this weekend, but
Oh,
it
yes.
runs fine. There's no point in doing anything.
Wow.
And we've had it since I didn't realize we've had it so long. We've had it since March of 15.
Really?
We'll have to bring back the redheads.
Yeah.
That's a tubey on it, right?
Yeah, with the exhaust, yeah.
Oh,
It
yes.
was all on there when we bought it.
Perfect.
I've got the stock.
Morning.
Shop.
The red carpet is fantastic. Look at that. Woo! Got that good smell, good oil pressure. All right, headlights work. Check it out. Yes.
Let's see how the seatbelt chokes you.
Yeah. Not sure that window's working. Oh, it actually is
Nice cold air, isn't
It's
it?
actually blowing cold. Holy crap! The pedal box is tiny.
So that
You're gonna have to. I'm gonna have to put on my driving shoes just to drive it. These shoes are so wide. If I push the,
who said small feet aren't a good thing?
I'm pushing the gas. Look at. All right, barely. My foot is touching the brake and gas pedal at the same time.
Gotta love the pimpin' red carpet.
Oh, that clutch is stiff.
Stiff. That's a good thing.
Either the switch is broken or the.
Oh, for the window?
Yeah.
Minor problem.
Yeah, that's supposed to be pretty common. And then, you know, there's no power steering on these old suckers.
We're gonna take it for a run.
Yeah. What do you think? Think this will do for a project car? So it definitely needs a major. It's not desperate like Tim's. It doesn't have 10 years between majors. It's got, I think, 5 years. So it's right on the mark, right when you want to do it. But Marty got a tubey exhaust. We got all the factory wheels. We got the factory luggage, all that stuff. This thing's beautiful. Its sound is just amazing. There it is. See the belt in the belt? Oh yeah, and by the way, to do the parking brake, have you seen this? You gotta pull up, push the button, then go down. So yeah, the pedals are definitely... Oh, it's a heavy pedal. Alright. Don't stall for the first time. Oh god, that mirror is tiny. They don't want you to see what's behind you.
The first rule of Italian driving. What's behind me is not important. There's no need.
It's heavy steering. Oh man, I should, you know what? I might take off my shoe. There. It is seriously impossible with that shoe.
Shoe in the back?
Yeah, I cannot feel the other pedal. Alright.
Good oil pressure.
Yeah, temperatures look good.
Wow, temperatures warm up on this a lot faster than a 360 or a 458.
God, the sound already.
We're in Florida in a Testarossa. Okay, Crockett, drug dealer ahead.
Oh, it's glorious. Oh my god, this thing is amazing. Wow, with the no power steering, you feel everything on the road. Like every little tiny indentation comes into the steering wheel. So the question is, can you go into first while it's moving? Nope.
Probably maybe double clutch it.
Yep. Double clutch it, it goes in. Yeah. Gotta get used to that gating. There we go. Holy crap. I'm driving a Ferrari Testarossa. Wait.
Dan is going to take a perfectly running Testarossa and rip the engine out of it.
Yeah, I'm being extra cautious since it's not ours yet.
Yes.
Don't screw up the car before you buy it. Yeah, all the temps look good. I'm surprised the water temp's actually low. That's pretty good. It's below 195. This thing is actually holding up pretty good. Oh, you know what? Just make sure reverse works real quick.
Oh yeah, good point.
How do you get it in? Oh, there's a lockout. How do you do the lockout in this guy?
I don't
There's
know.
a pin down there. Oh, there it is.
Ah! Come over to neutral.
You
and then
push,
back.
well, you just push down.
Oh, okay, got you.
Okay. Make sure it actually goes backwards. And it does. Okay.
Perfect.
Oh, you see what I'm saying, right? Those
Yeah.
pedals are tiny.
Yeah.
You'll see, it just drives so nice.
Those pipes are good sound on this car.
Takes a little bit to get used to the gate.
Yeah. This doesn't suck.
No. I just drove a Ferrari Testarossa.
You're about to tear the shit out of it, too.
Dude, yeah. Childhood dream. Seriously, since like 6 years old, 7 years old, this is a childhood dream come true.
You know, the major question of the long-term future of this car is seriously leaning one way.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you didn't know, Todd's on the fence about whether or not he wants to sell it. I don't think he's going to. But maybe if one of you want this after it's done, you could convince him monetarily to sell it, but good luck.
The plan was to sell it.
Yeah, the plan was to sell it, but
I don't know, this is
this
nice.
is pretty incredible.
I've never owned a Scion that was this nice. You're not going to speed shift this down a drag strip.
No power shifting this thing. You gotta be pretty deliberate.
Interesting fact Dan told me about this car that I did not know is the original wheels are metric.
Yes. Yeah,
And it's impossible to get tires for them?
pretty much. Yeah. So no one has the metric wheels anymore. There's your radio.
Oh! That looks pretty modern for an 87
It's
radio.
definitely been swapped out.
This thing rides tight, Dan. There's no need to look
I
at
say for a
bearings or-
1987, there's like no squeaks and rattles.
Yeah,
and shit.
and these I've noticed a lot of them have just the buttons and everything
Yeah.
are trash that I've seen.
There's no, yeah. Cigarette lighter. It's very important. But no ashtray.
What?
To start it while it's
Oh,
warm,
yeah.
make sure it restarts good. Good.
With the air on too.
With the
so
air on, yeah. Perfect. Okay.
That was great.
Yeah, it started right up.
Temperatures are good. That's
Man.
the original spare in there, I think. We saw
Yeah.
in the picture, right?
Yeah, those alone are worth the crap. It's,
You see, this is unbelievable. Look. Wow. Look at this shit.
I don't know where it goes in the test.
I'll say how you stack it
You
in
guys good?
Tetris.
We're running for his channel.
Yeah, I don't
Okay,
care.
Okay, great.
Oh my god. Look at that.
It's got the bags.
That's all
bags.
factory luggage.
I'll say.
I don't. Oh, hey!
Yeah, good. We don't have
Don't
to
turn
know.
the tumblers, Dan.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, you smell that?
I've kept that stuff at my house.
Oh, have ya?
Yeah, just because I didn't.
It's all.
And
And look
then
at all
here's
the
the-
pieces.
Here's the exhaust,
There's look at
Stop
the
on
exhaust. Look at all the
and
rims.
then spare tires.
This car was the real.
Metric tires, even.
All right, check out the match luggage.
The hell is all that?
It's Her Royal Highness's matched luggage! What? Her Royal Highness's matched luggage!
I have no idea how they expect you to think you're gonna get all that crap somehow in the front and behind these seats, but supposedly that was the point of the matched luggage, is to be able to actually travel with it, but there's no way you're gonna fit that crap in there. But look at this luggage, look at the quality of the leather. It's just like absolutely gorgeous, and we opened up some of it and it just smelled amazing. Everything about this is just so classy and badass, man. It just screams 1987. The Ferrari toolkit that no one ever uses with all the official Ferrari tools. So they all say Ferrari on it. This is actually a pretty nice kit. We could have used this yesterday. Could have been the first Ferrari owners to actually use the Ferrari tools. I don't think this is actually a Ferrari bit, or it's not. I know it's not, but this will come in handy. The wheel socket. Yeah, let's take off the wheels.
What would you normally use if you didn't have that, Dan?
Yeah, let me show you this. Ferrari 1987 awesomeness. You gotta be careful not to grab it by the leather, because these leather straps get really jankety over the years. Check this out. Got the jack.
Oh, yeah.
So when you're out in the field, they give you a hammer to
Lead
beat
mallet, right?
To beat the snot out of this. Yeah, it's lead. So that's why it's all abused.
And that goes over the center.
Yeah, so you put that on and then you beat the crap out of it, being really careful not to hit your car with this giant lead block.
Get a close up of that thing.
Look at this thing, man. It's absolutely ridiculous. This thing's been used a lot. Look at that. It's all just totally beat to hell.
And I'm surely going to get corrected, but I think 87 was the last year of the center lug.
Oh, was it?
Somebody's going to correct me, but I think so.
You got tow hooks?
Tow hook.
Well, you think it's going to be low enough slant?
Yeah, I see. That thing is so high, I doubt I even need the ramps.
Well, I'll watch it closely, I guess.
Yeah, but the other thing too is I just put the wheel on the front, crank the hitch up, and it tips it down.
Yeah,
It's real
tips
easy
it down.
that way, too.
Yeah, nice. Oh shit, here we go. Time to load this sucker. It scrapes.
We'll get the ramps out.
Yep. Attempt number 2. Now we got the race ramps out there. The other hard part, right?
Try getting out of a demon in this thing.
That is sexy even in the car, in the trailer. I mean, damn. Yeah, it's a fat ass right there.
It's a fat red ass. It's like
That's gorgeous, man. It's exactly what it should look like, a giant fat ass. There is a Testarossa in the trailer right now. This is ridiculous. Yeah.
Mine's bigger than yours.
It's because they stroked it. So we made a slight detour. You maybe recognize that car. You guys might know. Tavares.
Hey, how are you doing?